We are on Carnival Encounter and we are in a ocean suite. So this is post dry dock, so let's go check it out. We're in cabin 9302. Let's go.
Cruise crate fam, let's sail away. Everywhere we wanna play. On the seas we roam so free.
So first up, just here on the left as you come in, you have a nice big walk-in robe. There is lots of hangers, and being in a suite, you do get a robe. These are not for you to take home, but you are welcome to use it as much as you want while you are in here. I also love this space because there is plenty of room for suitcases. As you can see, we do have our suitcases there. We have not yet unpacked. And then there is extra storage up here, as well as your life jackets. So plenty of room here. Now over here, you've got your full length mirror, first of all. And there's my sister-in-law, Kate. Inside here, there is heaps of storage, plenty of clothes. So if you're doing a longer cruise, which we are going to be on here for 10 days over Christmas or after Christmas. So we're going to need this space with 4 people in a cabin, but we will not be in a suite though, unfortunately, but that's okay. And then you have your safe. So really easy to use. It's got your instructions here. So anything you have that you're concerned about, lock it up in here. So passports, money, stuff like that. Let's check out the bathroom. Now it is looking a little bit old, not gonna lie. This ship was, trying to remember what year it was built. It's around 2000, so it's coming up to 30 years, so it's pretty old, hence why she's looking a little sad, not gonna lie. But it is a bath, so you do have more premium body wash and conditioning shampoo that you can use in the suite. So that is a little bit more premium than what you get in the regular cabins. And then you got shelves. There's usually a couple of glasses. We've only got one. Anything you're missing, just feel free to ask it. There is plenty of space here. Again, the more premium hand wash. And that is the bathroom. Let's go check out the rest of the cabin. So this is a very old school thermostat. So you can see it's got the little light, so you can go warmer, colder, set it to where you like it. It's pretty warm in here, and that's on the maximum colder. So I don't know how that's gonna go. We'll see. Look, it's okay. It's like it's not hot, but it's not maximum cold either. Let's check out the rest of the cabin. So here there's just a little side table. I've got my magnets, I haven't put them out yet. But you do have tissues. If you are still sleeping, put that out the front so that your cabin steward knows not to disturb you. If you want your cabin made up, you put that out the front, and then he knows or she knows that it is time to make it up. There is also a lovely mirror here, so you can do a nice little outfit check. Make sure the hat is glimmering. And we have got 2 single beds. You can get these put together to a queen bed, but it's my sister-in-law, and as much as I love you, let's keep our beds separate. So we've got 2 beds, and there is a dresser side table for both of them with 2 drawers. They are a little bit hard to get to with the blankets, not gonna lie. Each of those also has a lamp, and on that lamp there is a USB point as well. So if you are wanting to charge your phone, it is a USB, not a USB-C. So yeah, bring a USB charger and you can charge whatever you need to right next to your bed. Okay, then there is a nice little desk. This desk is perfect for doing work, if you want to do work, or if you want to do your makeup. The lighting's actually pretty good because the balcony is right there. And the light's coming. But anyway, so you've got the drawer with So this is the security guide and port directory inside here. I already put some stuff in there, and then whatever there. And just all the documents that come on the day, including the fun times. So if you want to know what's going on during the ship, check out your fun times, entertainment spotlight, and then just a few bits of information that you need to know about security, illness, any extra questions. Most of it's all answered there. Now, behind us, we have a nice big TV. Do you like the... So we have a nice big TV, we've got the remote. Good, it does work, unlike the hotel we just stayed in. So right now it is kind of, yeah, you can change that, put on whatever you want. We do have water. So being suite guests, we do get an additional 1 litre bottle of water. And then a reward for being red card or higher, you do get a 1.5 litre bottle delivered to your room. It's not always delivered on the first day, but we've already had someone come and deliver it to us. But if we were to drink these ones, just so you know, Kate, behind the camera, we will get charged. So these free, those not. So $5.25 is the cost of a 1 litre bottle of water. And then around here, we have a very old looking couch. It's definitely seen better days. It's relatively comfortable. Wouldn't say it's anything to write home about, but it's, yeah, definitely looking a little bit sad. But the thing is, this does pull out to a bed. So if we need to have a guest over, or if you've got 3 in a cabin, you can pull that out, and then you've got a 3rd bed. There is this nice little coffee table, and there is another TV right there. So you can just chill out over here. If I don't like what she's watching over there, I can chill out over here and watch TV. It just might be a bit of a volume battle, but that's all right. We got this. I just realized there is also another thermostat here that's all the way colder as well. So that's as cold as it gets pretty much. And heaps of shelves again. I was just saying how much storage there is. We have all of these shelves here. And then there is more drawers over here. And I've just put my laptop bag and stuff there. There is also another lamp with a USB as well. So plenty of storage. Now let's go check out the balcony. All right. I haven't seen these on these Carnival ones, so this might be one of the new doors. Apparently in dry dock, they changed some of the doors in some of the suites to where they've got a child lock. We're not all the way closed. That's not going in. It's not going in. So it's a child lock that's not all the way child locking, which is, yeah, that's not, it's lined up in the wrong spot. They've screwed it in the wrong spot. That's useful. But then all you do is turn this down all the way, or not, halfway, there we go, and open up. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, they're closing it off, so anyone who missed the boat, they're out now. And then we have a nice big balcony. We have some lounge chairs. You can just chill out with our cocktails. Would be nice if there was a table though, not gonna lie. Yeah. I wouldn't mind a table, but the armchairs are good. So that is a cabin tour of cabin 9302. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you keep an eye out for my complete ship tour and vlogs, and I'll catch you in the next one.
just call me